Can't get your text to appear over an image in Canva? There's a quick layer trick that fixes it. If your text keeps disappearing behind the image, don't worry, we'll fix the layer order in just a few clicks. First, open your Canva design. Now add the image you want to use. Next, click Text on the left side and add a text box. Type whatever text you want to place over the image. If the text is already appearing on top, you're good to go. But if the image is covering your text, that's where the layer order comes in. First, right-click the image that's covering your text. From the menu, hover over Layer. Now you'll see several layer options. Select Send Backward. The image will move one layer backward, allowing your text to appear above it. If your image is still covering the text, right-click the image again, hover over Layer, and choose Send to Back. This sends the image all the way behind the other elements. Now click on your text. You should be able to see it clearly over the image. You can also drag the text to reposition it wherever you want. And if you want the text to stand out more, select the text and adjust the font, size, or color from the top toolbar. If this Canva trick helped you fix your text layer, like the video and subscribe for more quick design tutorials and simple fixes you can use right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.